What's going on, everybody? This is J&P Outdoors. Welcome to another video. And in today's video, I'm just giving y'all a quick little update here. We finally are getting rain here in Texas. Oh, and by the way, happy Easter weekend, everybody. And yes, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rain. And it's supposed to continue tonight into tomorrow, and we could get up to 1.5 inches, up to, they're calling for possibly 3 inches, but I don't know how much of that I believe. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, look, my little bird bath is getting all full, which is going to make all the little birdies happy. Yeah, just trying to, show y'all what's, that we're actually getting some rain, and hopefully I'll get some good content soon. And I don't know what we're going to film today, but I'll figure something out. So y'all just come along. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. My new toy. So I haven't shot this bad boy yet, but that's my new Browning 270. Nice, smooth. It's this. I'm trying to figure out what shells I want to run through it. Because unlike a lot of these guys, I don't have a lot of places where I can go, shoot and film. Wish I did. Unlike, Hootie Hoo and old Kentucky Ballistics and, well, would say Matt Carragher, but, he went to retirement. And so, believe me, I'd love to bring bang bang content, but it's kind of hard to do on public ranges. So, anyways, yeah, this is my new baby. Just picked her up, put my grandfather's Leopold scope on there, and hopefully this deer season I'll be able to, sling some boolas at some deer, but I don't know. Not really holding my breath on that one. But yeah, it's a Browning. Oh, I always forget the actual model. I think it's a XPS, I want to say, or XP something. And so yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick little video on it. This is just one of my favorite guns. Always been a huge 270 fan. My grandfather hunted with one. I've taken numerous pigs throughout my hunting journey with one. Could never quite seal the deal on a deer. Had a 243 that I shot probably majority of my deer with. Um, so yeah, you know, this is it, and I'm hoping that, you know, I'm hoping eventually I'll be able to, you know, go take something with this. But yeah, just a quick little video. It's raining, it's nasty, and I just wanted to get a quick video up. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all on the next one. And by the way, remember, you know, to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like, you know, this video, why don't you try some of my other videos like this one right here. So I'll see y'all on the next one.